Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right apple and establishing a secure grip. A firmer fruit resists bruising and transfers force more predictably. Once you've chosen a medium, crisp apple, place it diagonally in your palm so 2 fingers cup one side and your thumb presses the other. Bend your wrist slightly so the heel of the hand can push into the core. Make sure your hand is dry. A slight forward angle helps concentrate pressure on the center, which is where crushing initiates. Now you apply a steady, focused squeeze that converts hand strength into crushing pressure. This is how the apple yields. Begin with a slow, sustained squeeze to compress the flesh and locate the weakest seam near the core. Once you feel the structure give, increase speed and contract your forearm and chest briefly to add peak force. Make sure to keep fingers anchored. They prevent the apple from sliding and let your thumb and palm concentrate pressure where the flesh is thinnest. Finish by separating the crushed apple into halves or squashed pieces. A quick twist while maintaining pressure often completes the split. Once done, discard cores or use the smashed fruit immediately. If the apple slips or refuses to break, stop and reset. Reposition deeper in your palm, dry your hand, or use a thin towel to improve friction. Make sure to check your skin for abrasions afterward and wash your hands. Apply a bandage if any small cuts occurred.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.